Oh, kia ora. I'm Al from Altus. Now, ever since I started here, we've always been hiring new people. New one? New one? New one? Hey? Why is that, you ask? Well, because there's just no limit to what you can build with aluminium. It's fantastic stuff. Love it. Now, in my time here, I've helped build everything from boats to buildings to windows and doors and, well, components that have flown all the way to bloody outer space. Up yonder. Whoa. But the thing I'm most proud of building here is a career. A bunch of mates and, well, myself. Hey? God, there it is. Okay, not bad, eh? Hard as nails. Oh, sorry, didn't see you there.
That's all right.
Alisha?
Hi.
Better pause the gun show, eh? This is my mate Alisha. She works here too. Why don't you tell them a bit about your life here at Altus, Alisha?
Okay, sure. Well, in these tough times, I feel pretty special to have somewhere to come every day, work hard, get paid well, and be part of a team that makes some cool stuff. And there's many others here just like me. Well, not exactly like me.
Well, not everyone can be as awesome as you, Alisha. She's great. But yeah, at Altus, we're looking for all sorts of people with different skills. But the cool thing is, most of those skills you actually learn here. And because we're in an industry that's growing, we need more people just like you, who are actually just like me because, well, we're all made of the same stuff. Beauty. So, don't be shy. Give us a shout. Oh, no, actually, that's wrong. You've got to click this link, I believe. Is that right, Alisha? You click the link, or?
Yes, Al, it is.